Hello and welcome to another live trading session. Today is Tuesday, December the 5th, and we're going to do another trade. And for right now, we're going to be doing trades on Tuesdays, 1 day per week until further notice. We're going to be doing it in ES. Let's take a look at where we stand. So I've been doing some more work on my spreadsheet. It's getting ready to be released, so stay tuned. I will be announcing that soon over the next couple of days. But I added some more things. I'm just fine tuning it slightly, but it should be ready in a matter of days. So we're at 52,000 as shown right here. We are looking for around 850 in premium to be sold weekly. By the way, I added all of the explanations everywhere. So once you get the sheet, you'll have a better idea of what everything is. So right now, as you can see, I moved these things on the left-hand side, the user input, and here we have the number of trades per week as one, and that gives us approximately $850 of premium that needs to be sold per week. And since we're doing it in one day, one time, that would be an ES short put. And we're looking to spend around 250 or in that neighborhood for our put debit spread. This is a little bit more than a standard because we are allocating up to 30% until the campaign is fully developed, until we have a full book. So we're spending a little bit more, and then we are keeping track of the last 4 weeks, how we stand with that ratio, and it looks like we have extra $40 that we can spend and still be at 30% because we are at 28% right now. And that brings us to somewhere between 250, 290 or 300 roughly for our put debit spread. So once we know that, let's just take a look. So this is just a simple process of determining how much we need to sell and how much we need to spend. And from that point, we just go on to the platform, take a look at what's going on. So looks like market is down a little bit. We're going to go to ES and go to our roughly 90 days closest to. So 86, that's going to be our DTE. We go to around 8 delta to start off with and look at the so here we're at 812, 875. I think we were looking at 850, so this would be a little bit too much. This is too little. So this is actually what we need to do, and we'll probably have to go down to 17 and a quarter, but let's just give it a try and see if we can do this. As I thought, we won't be able to, but let's let me see. That's the one right here. Replace. We're just going to go down to a quarter and close this one. So that's going to fill. Okay, so we did that. Now we have to go to MES, go to the same expiration, and remember we are targeting a long put of around 35 delta. So in this case here, we can go maybe here, and let's try with 75 and see where we get. So 93. So if we go quantity 3, so this actually puts us right where we want to be around. We might have to up it up a little bit, but let's go and try first. Oh, there you go. So we're filled. Perfect. Let's go and put that into our spreadsheet so you can see how that looks. So first of all, we go to naked put. This is going to be trade 35 in ES, and today is 5/12/23, and I don't remember what was the. Let's see, it was 40.75 at 86 days, and that we received 17.25. We did one contract, and that is 17.25. All right, so it's 63, and here we're just keeping track of our notional exposure just to keep an eye on that. Of all of the open positions, we are at 800,000. That's it. We go to put debit spreads, again, trade 35. This one is in MES, same date, 5/12/23. And the strikes we did 4525, 4525, and 4450, 86. Let me just double check that, make sure. 4450, yes, and 1875 is what we paid. You have to put minus 1875, and we did 3 of those. Okay, so we spent 281. This one here keeps track of all of the open put debit spreads and calculates the full value, maximum value. Obviously, we will not be able to get the full value in most cases, but we count on a good percentage of that in case the market goes down as our protection and grind down income. And we are at 43.75 at the moment. And this all is carried over to this sheet and increases. Therefore, this these are getting in the way. So our protection at 80% is at 3,500, and let's see, we sold 3,400 in the last 4 weeks. We spent $1,010, and the premium currently open is 34.25, which then gives us a full book wipe in case we were to close all of the open trades at 250% plus the cost of the put debit spreads that are involved, and then this would bring it down to a maximum drawdown, assuming everything is wiped out close to these numbers, so around 6,000, which is a little over 10% of our total net lick. This again, this will change over time as we build on more protection with put debit spreads as the naked puts are falling off, which is something that will happen probably. Let's see, we have this one here going on. Let's also actually let's just mark this one. This is how you group them. It was 35, I think we said. Let me just double check if this was trade 30. Yes, trade 35. So this is just the way to match the, you mark them so that you can match them with your spreadsheet. You know exactly which one you're talking about. And let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put in the closed profit. So we go at 60%. We go here, we change this one to here, and we just send it, and that's it. So now these are going to close automatically once they reach 60%. And as you can see, this one here is at 57.5. So it's very close to being closed. So, but for right now, it's still here. We also have some of the, and then let's do this one as well. Let's group it, and we call it 35 as well. So we have some put debit spreads here. There is another 112 old trade that is also getting close to being closed. We also have this one here at 72%, 24. This one is 766, and yeah, and then we have some of the put debit spreads from the new campaign, the 35, 34, 2, and 33, and we had some naked puts in the MES from our campaign. And then we also, I think, have a little bit more left. Yeah, just one put debit spread in this one. Bill is here. We're expecting to receive, I think, the dividend any day now that we lost. The value dropped on the 1st of December, but that's normal. So we should be getting that back soon. And I think that's all. I think that's all I wanted to show for now. But please stay tuned. This spreadsheet will be a gift to my early subscribers. So just make sure you subscribe if you want the spreadsheet, and I'll announce it soon, and then I'll give you instructions. But not only that, I will make a separate video just breaking down the spreadsheet, go into all the details, how you can then modify it or maybe adjust it for your purposes. yeah, that'll happen pretty soon. So thank you very much for watching. Just make sure if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. And if you're not subscribed yet, do that as well, please. And leave me a comment. And thank you very much. Have a fantastic day.